It's time to check the fluid level of the transmission in our 2020 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000. Let's get it done. I'll include a video clip here of the instruction manual. I've got the machine parked on a level surface. The transmission fill plug is located below the muffler at the rear of the machine, right in the center. I'm using a 3/8 drive socket wrench with a 6-inch extension bar. FYI, that transmission fill plug was impressively tight from the factory. I'm gonna have a rag on hand just in case, and I've already stuffed a little bit of rag material down inside this void down here in case any drips out when I go to check it. The fluid level should be up to the bottom of the fill plug hole, up to the bottom of the threads there. So we'll pull it out now and check it and see where it is. There's the fill plug, and what I can see is that the fluid level is right up to the bottom of the fill plug hole, just like Polaris says it should be, and that's perfect. We're all done. I put the plug back in. I cleaned it up before I put it back in, torqued it down a little bit, not too much, cleaned up my tools, threw away the garbage, and we're good to go put some more miles on this machine.